Sophia, and this is a Squinky's merry-go-round. Goes round and round like this. See?
Wow.
This looks like a spinner on the bottom, and it is. And it's a little house I made on top. And I made the Squinky stand on it by itself. So it's pretty cool.
Can I see? Can we zoom in on the Squinkies and see which ones are on there? Who's on there?
That's Gus Gus.
Gus Gus? Who's next?
That's a monkey.
Okay.
Hello Kitty and a mouse.
Oh, very nice.
So it's really, really colorful. It has blue, white, brown, yellow, red, gold, and blue.
Very nice, Sophia.
That's all the colors that the merry-go-round has.